Alright guys, today we're going to be taking a look at this PGYTECH landing gear extensions for the Mavic Air 2. They look great. I saw Copter Bob with a set of these and he was flying around, so I said, oh, let me try them out. I usually don't buy these kind of things as far as, yeah, the little gadgets I buy, but these landing gear things, usually I don't mess with them, but because if I get jammed up, I'll just hand catch something, you know what I mean? I don't even have to deal with that, so let's open it up. They got this box taped like crazy here. Wow. Okay, this box will be gone, so I don't think I'll be using that no more. Let's see what else we got in here. Some instructions. I should be able to figure it out, but hey, you never know, man. You never know. And then, of course, we got some PGYTECH stickers. Yeah, okay. So forget about those things. Let's try the gear out here. Okay. So they're contoured to fit a certain way. Like that. And you would just force them on there. Maybe they'll go on there a little bit better. I'm not sure how hard you're supposed to push on them. And then the back is going to be one of these snap deals. See this right here? And you just unsnap it and snap it around the leg like so, and snap it on there like that. So yeah, I don't know, it's kind of, you can put it down there and slide it down and it'll wedge on there a little tighter. You can put it on right on the end here, or right here on the end, snap it in there, and then slide it on down that way, and it wedges it on there a little bit more. Gives it more of like a wedge fit. So it sits pretty high, actually, with that on there. So, but he uses them, so they must be okay. If Copter Bob gives it the approval, then it's good in my book, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to take them out and test them, and test the flight characteristics, see if it acts up or you know, anything like that. So I don't think it will, or he wouldn't have used them, to be honest with you, because he knows what he's doing. Let me take them off real quick, and we'll put the weight on them to see what kind of weight we're adding on. So it's 19.5 grams for the whole kit. So I don't think that's that bad. So, all right, guys, let's take it out and see how it acts. We are out here with the Mavic Air 2. It says takeoff permitted, and we are going to try out these new feetses. We're going to try these out on here to see how they perform. They look pretty cool. And if the wind dies down, it's blowing in these gusts. If it dies down a little bit, maybe we'll go over there and do a construction site update. And maybe we won't, who knows. But we're at least going to try that out. Try out the feet and see how that works out. They don't seem to be bothered by the feet at all. Let's check the car wash out. It's almost done. It's almost ready. Yep, it's almost ready. People heading off over there into the restaurant. They built a little tent over there so people can dine out. It's such a pain. I don't even bother going out. I just forget it. It's not worth it. Freaking hassle. I went to a bakery today. God, they had a line around the freaking block. Everybody's standing there sweating their ass off with them stupid masks on. What a joke. Absolute joke. These politicians got all these people living in all this fear. Like they're all gonna die if they take these stupid masks off that say right on the box that they don't prevent shit. So, what a bunch of crap. So annoying. Well, obviously the feats don't affect the performance at all. So. I said it's a little windy up there, but you know. Well, there was a bird up there just now messing with the Mavic Air. What's wrong with you, boy? Okay, so I am at, and it's not even close to being dark, right? Would you say it's dark? I would say it's not. Okay, so I am 100 and... See, we'll just run it up to 200 here. Okay, so I am 206 feet up, and I can see that light. That bright LED light on the bottom of the Mavic Air 2, I can see it at this 207 feet. In the daylight. As plain as day. Plain as day, I can see that light. Yep. That thing is easy as hell to see. Let me turn that light off, by the way. I'm gonna have to come out here at night and fly this thing, see if I can see it. Well, I mean, I know I'm gonna be able to see it, but see how far out I can see it, because I know I can see it easily during the day. Alright boys, so the light is very easy to see even in the daylight. So it's easy as pie to see this thing. Wow, I was pretty shocked actually. And the feet did nothing. No effect on the flying, the handling, or anything like that. So, alright guys, I'm going to cut the video. I'll talk to you later. Have a nice day.
Landing.